Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the float switch housing in your dishwasher. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's worn or damaged, causing the float not to be able to actuate the float switch. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4-inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Whirlpool. Now keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. Also keep in mind we don't have a countertop for this, so we're actually using some weights to keep it weighted down so it doesn't tip over on us. So you might want to consider that when you're at home, and if you have to take out your dishwasher, make sure that you're not doing anything to tip it over and make it fall on you when you're doing a repair as well. And we're going to have to go down to the float switch housing down here at the bottom of the dishwasher here. So right here inside of our float switch housing, we're going to have to open this up. And you just pinch each of these tabs, and then you can open the door up. There we go. And inside of our float switch housing, we've got our float switch, our float that sticks down right here, as well as the float switch actuator right here, or the float switch lever, as well as the float switch lever right here. So we're going to have to take all those parts out in order to replace the housing. And for the switch, we just have to unplug it. So we've got a tab over on this side, then pull the wires, and then pull our float switch out. And that just pops straight up. And now our float, we just have to move off to the side and just give that a push up, and that'll be out of our way. Now we just have to remove the screw, and I'll be using a 1/4-inch nut driver, and we'll take that out as well. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement float switch housing. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we'll open up our new housing. So now we'll put our housing into place, and we're just going to line up the screw hole there. And once we've got it lined up, you can screw it in. And now we'll put our switch back into place and just line that up right here and push it down. And then we'll plug the switch in. And then what you can do for the float is, if it's gotten pushed up and you can't reach it, you can just open up the front door and push the float down from the inside. So we'll just push the float down, and that'll pop back into place like that. And now we'll put the float switch lever into place, just like that, and close up the housing. And your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.